Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode. I was hiking in the mountains with some friends recently, which was awesome, but I wore a pair of relatively new, unbroken in boots. Now it hurts to walk, so I'm taking a break from running or long walks. Today I'm taking the tram. There is some track maintenance work going on right now, which means about halfway through the route, everyone gets kicked out of the tram. Before the weekend, I had no idea about this detour. So I had walked out of my dorm all happy, I bought a ticket, sat down, but instead of going straight, the tram turned right. I basically went in circle just to hear an announcement saying, "This is the final stop." Brilliant. But at least the rest of the way was also covered by walking. We are finally near the office. Come on, work. Oh, there we go. Welcome to the office kitchen. A quick coffee, some lemon water, and it's time to do some coding. My responsibilities are getting more serious. I even have an employee under me now. Well, what it's called depends on the AI model I choose, but it's a good, obedient worker. If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Altium Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Altium Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. I mentioned recently that I wanted to repurpose the screen from my old laptop, which now serves as a server, and I was waiting for a controller board. It finally arrived. Let's quickly plug it in and see if it works. Let me turn it around. Alright, now just to plug in the HDMI. Okay, here is the converter board. Plugging in the power. Nothing happened yet. Interesting. Alright, let's plug in the HDMI now. Wait, this is a DisplayPort, not HDMI. Damn. Well, that's life. I'll just have to order a DisplayPort cable, wait for it, and we'll see if it works then. I have a huge exam tomorrow. It's the toughest course this semester. This is exactly how my studying looks like. I dump all the materials I have into the AI, past exams, lectures, and notes. Then I turn on the study mode and tell it, "Teach me, buddy." What's cool about this study mode is that it doesn't just give you the answers right away. It tries to guide you to them so you can solve the problem step by step. Now, it's not like you don't have to study, review, or solve problems at all. For me, it's more like a personal tutor, super helpful and patient. But you still have to remember it's just a tool. You still need to put in the time to actually study and understand the topic, though a language model makes it much simpler. This is what last minute studying looks like. It's going to be all-nighter, but luckily I'm built for this. For me, studying is pure fun. Morning is slowly rolling in and finished, at least for today. I'll do a quick review before classes start and it's going to be perfect. Bye.